Hi, my name's Robert Krause. I'm originally from Durban. I used to work at the Africa Health Research Institute, and I've now moved down to Stellenbosch University to start my Validate Fellowship. I think the main benefits would be the community, the actual people you're exposed to as part of Validate, being exposed to seasoned researchers as well as early career researchers and even, masters, so student level even. So the ECR workshop that Validate hosted was really engaging. I really enjoyed Nick's way of just getting the message across, and he gave us so many insightful things to work on, from presentation style to CV preparation. So it was really great. The annual meeting's been amazing. It's my first meeting, so it's so different actually meeting people in person versus having a Teams or Zoom call, which is almost standard nowadays. So it's really nice to meet people in person. Yeah. Okay, so to describe Validate in one word, I would say supportive.